Hey you guys, Dino Gomez here from Dynamic Internet Marketing Inc. And today we wanted to show you a really awesome and powerful and simple link building strategy. We call it Google Docs link building, and it is one of the best and most well kept industry secrets to link building. Okay, so the reason we call it Google Docs link building is because it stems around building links from within Google, in particularly from Google Documents. So if you're not familiar with Google Documents, it's very similar to a Word doc, but basically it's free and it's hosted online. It's hosted through Google's infrastructure at google.com. All right, so let's take a look at this example here and what we have going on. Basically what you want to do is you want to build out a Google Documents page based around a particular keyword. So in this example, we're going after the keyword best microdermabrasion machine. That's what we titled this page, and then we titled it Dash Trophy Skin Inc. But as you can see on this Google Doc, what we have here is we wrote two paragraphs of content. First paragraph's talking about Trophy Skin, and then the second paragraph is actually talking about the Microderm MD. We also added in a photo. That's something you're going to want to do with each Google Doc page that you build. And then finally, why this is such a powerful link building strategy is that we did build links at the bottom. So let's take a look at some of these links. We linked over to the home page of Trophy Skin. We linked over to the product microdermabrasion page of Trophy Skin. We also linked over to Rejuvilite MD red light therapy page and the Blue MD blue light therapy page. We linked over to the Google Plus profile and some other social networking links. And so the reason this is powerful is because we're building links from within Google's infrastructure, from within Google itself. Okay, so if you look at this actual URL of this page, it's docs.google.com. We're building links from within google.com. So they're automatically going to be powerful links. They're automatically going to be links that Google trusts. They're immediately links that Google sees. So Google can't always see the links that you build from social networking sites, from social bookmarking sites, directory sites. Those are very low authoritative links. But you build links from within Google itself, it's 100% going to see those links, and it's only going to positively help your rankings. Okay, Google is not going to ever even consider penalizing you for building links from one of their website properties. Google's always trying to promote more and more usage of their own applications and other products. Okay, so they want you to use Google Documents. They want you to build links from within Google Documents. So what we're doing here is we're actually following what Google wants us to do. So again, when you build out these Google Docs pages, what we're going to do is we're going to give you a keyword title, and then we're going to have you write 2 to 3 paragraphs of content. You're always going to want to add in an image, and then you're going to want to link. We're actually going to have you link to about 2 or 3 or 4, maybe 2 to 4 different websites. So we'll tell you where to link to, and you go ahead and you can add those links at the bottom here. Now, one of the things you want to notice, you should notice that these links we've shortened with Google's URL shortener, and this is part of the strategy. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We linked over to the home page of trophyskin.com, but you'll notice this link does not say trophyskin.com. This link was shortened with Google's URL shortener, and that makes the link even more powerful. Again, the more you use Google's products, the more they're going to reward your website rankings. They want you to use their products. So instead of just building a normal link, we went and used Google's URL shortener. So if you're not familiar with Google's URL shortener, that's okay. You'll just head on over. We'll start a new search. You'll head on over to Google. Head on over to Google and you just type in Google URL shortener. Google URL shortener, it's the first result. And then what you would type in here is if you wanted to link over to Trophy Skin, you would type in trophyskin.com, click the blue button to shorten URL, and what it's going to do is what you see right here, trophyskin.com, and it gives you this. This is the shortened URL. So if you click on that, it's actually going to take you to trophyskin.com. It's a shortened URL. So that's what we want you to do, is we want you to shorten all the URLs, and then you come back to the Google document and you paste those in where appropriate. Okay, so always use the Google URL shortener. Again, that gives you extra SEO juice and authority because it's from Google directly. So that's it, guys. Basically what you want to do, again, to summarize, is we're going to give you a keyword title that you're going to want to use. Title your document. You're going to add 2 to 3 paragraphs of content. You're going to add an image, and then you're going to use the Google URL shortener to link to 2 to 4 different web pages that we tell you. And last but not least, you are going to want to make sure that this Google document is visible to the public. Sometimes these Google documents are private to begin with, so make sure you come over here to settings and you make sure that it's viewable throughout the web. And that's if it's not publicly available, then these links aren't going to count. So make sure it's publicly available, and after you do that, you would just take this link at the very top, the actual Google Documents link, and then you'll post that in Basecamp for us. So what we want to end up with is a nice list. We want to end up with 15 to 20 different Google Docs for a variation of keywords for trophy skin. We'll give you all those keywords that we're going to go after, and then from there our team will do some other work to make sure that these individual pages are powered up. But for now, we want you guys to build out these Google Documents page. We'll have you do a test run, and then we'll give you some feedback, and we'll go from there. So please let us know if you have any questions. We enjoy working with you guys and appreciate all your help, and we will talk to you soon.